If you're newer to makeup, you want something that's gonna be super easy to control, I got you. This Milk Makeup contour stick is the easiest one to blend. I know, because makeup is not my thing. I found a routine that works for me and I'm just gonna stick with it. But I have this one, I believe I got Toasted. This is the color I keep getting each time. The darker one is a contour, and then if you see the white ones, that's because it's a bronzing stick. So the difference, this is a cool tone, this is warm tone, this is for contouring. If you want it for like bronzing and highlighting, you're gonna use one of the white ones. But it is so creamy. A little goes a long way, really easy to control, and there's a lot in this, I will tell you that. I always have extras of these, so when I do run out, I'm never without it. But look at how easy that blends in. So easy. Like, I'm not really rubbing, I'm just kind of like dabbing and blending. I love how this looks. And it just changes everything. Like, your face just looks so good with this. This is my third stick that I've bought. I'm obsessed with their sticks. So good. And then I like to blend it up into my hairline because it just kind of makes the focal part of the face, that triangle. Look at how easy that is. Super easy. And that's it. The end. Like, anyone can do that. And you can make it more dramatic if you want, but like, you will see that my cheekbones now just kind of pop. You don't need to be a magician. You just need to put it right underneath your cheekbone, and I like to curve it up, and you're good to go. I hope this helps you with deciding on a makeup stick, but if you are someone that is learning makeup on your own, just like I did, you didn't have someone to teach you, I hope that this can help you. Go get one right now. You're gonna love it.